Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. So today I'm going to discuss the financial management syllabus for the Vijaya Bank Credit Officer 2018. From last few days, a lot of you actually requested me to start to make a proper session on Vijaya Bank Credit Officer exam. So today I am doing so. So let's start. My name is Ramandeep Singh. I hope you know me. I know that not many students are going to be live today, so but anyhow, I mean this is not the right time to make to do a live session 2 o'clock. But I mean I'm a little busy at the afternoon, so you can watch it anytime. This is the basic financial awareness syllabus, the financial management syllabus. I have divided into two parts. The first part is this that core finance, right? Even in that Bank of India credit officer exam, I mean I'm really happy to tell you that 22, I mean this is like 22 of our students, they are able to crack the Bank of India credit officer 2018 exam, and they are able to crack the final interviews. The final list of selected candidates are out, and 22 of our students have been selected. I have the link is available in the description. Please check the link to to check our list of our successful students. So this is the basic syllabus. The most important chapter is the ratio analysis. In the ratio analysis, some of the topics are really important. The inventory turnover ratio, the debtor turnover ratio, the turnover ratios are really important. And then all that profitability ratios and PE ratio, EPS ratio. Even in the RBI grade B, there was one question from PE ratio. Even in the previous year's paper, in that Bank of India credit officer exam, there was a question from inventory turnover ratio and one from PE ratio. So ratio analysis is really important. All those ratios. The most important chapter for the financial awareness is the ratio analysis. Inventory ratio, PE ratio, all those ratios. There are roughly 17 to 18 ratios are there. Those are really important. You are going to find out of 50, you are going to find at least you can say 3-4 questions from this particular chapter. If you ask me, sir, how many questions will be there from practicals and how many from numericals, 10 to 10 12 question will be from numericals. 10-12 question will be from numericals and rest will be theoretical. 40 question will be from theoretical, 35-40, rest will be numericals. Ratio analysis, the most important topic, the most important chapter. But before starting your preparation, I hope most of you are from finance background, and the important thing that I want to tell you that the first thing that you should do is start with the financial statement analysis. This is the most important topic, the basics of everything. I hope you should be you're already aware about how to make how to read a balance sheet, right? How to read a balance sheet of a bank, of a public limited company. You should be able to read that. You should know what is depreciation, what are various methods to calculate the depreciation. You should know the basics of taxation as well. What is ATC, what is ATD, all those basics of you can say tax sections, income tax, the basic sections of income tax act. You should be aware about that. What are individuals, what are the various tax slabs are there, what are mutual funds, how they are taxed, what are the various types of mutual funds, right? What are the how the mutual funds are taxed, what is long term capital gain, what is short term capital gain. The basics of income tax, that is part of financial statement analysis. You should be aware about it. How the house rent on house properties are taxed. I mean, how the income from lotteries are taxed. So this is the basic thing, basic understanding of the finance that you should know. So tax is also a part of finance, right? So basics, you should be aware about it. Then the cost of capital is really important. In that, the cost of equity, cost of debentures, the cost of redeemable preference shares, very important. The formula is little tricky to remember. So it is cost of redeemable preference shares, cost of redeemable debentures are there. So that's really important. In that Bank of India credit officer exam, there was a question from weighted average cost of capital. So this one is very important. The weighted average cost of capital question is really important. So please don't forget to do this one. Then capital budgeting. In the capital budgeting, internal rate of return, the NPV, net present value. These are actually really important. There are basically 5 methods that you need to do. Then the working capital management is really important. Working capital management is anyhow the part of ratio analysis, but if you can extend it with the working capital management chapter. The cash flow statement as per accounting standard 3, you need to learn the basic standardized format of cash flow statement. It is actually part of financial statement analysis, but there is a proper format. There are 3 types of activities: operating, financing, investing. You need to learn which activity is financing, which activity is operating, right? So that is important. Then the derivatives, this one is theoretical topic, really important, quite deep actually. What are swaps, forward, future? What is an OTP contract? What are swaps? Swaptions are there, right? The FEMA, FERA, little bit of FEMA. You can find a question or two of FEMA. And then what are the powers of I just forgot to mention it here. Powers of SEBI and RBI, and the important circulars related to SEBI and RBI are really important here. So we have analyzed the important circulars of RBI and SEBI in this course, so don't worry. In the SEBI, there are few important circulars. For example, the mutual fund categorization circular, that is really important. And there is a circular related to depositories, that is actually really important, the 40 pages circular. So there are few circulars which are actually really important. I'm going to discuss that in my next lectures. I don't want to make this a 30-minute lecture. I want to keep this just 10 minutes lecture. So next one is the leverages. There are basically 3 kinds of leverages: operating, finance, and combined leverage. So basic formula that you need to learn, and the portfolio theory. And the CAPM, you are going to find at least one question from CAPM. How calculate the beta or calculate the market price of a security. So that's really important. The portfolio theory is important. So this is all the, you can say, the most important. This is the important part of the financial management. Out of 50, you can say you can expect 35-36 questions from these topics only, right? At least. That's it. 35-36. Rest of the question will be from that will be little, you can say, absurd. You cannot assume that that you are going to find all the 50 questions from these topics. There can be questions from Basel norms. I mean, the Basel 3 norms, there can be few questions from Basel 3 norms, because Basel 3 norms are actually related to financial management. It can be there in the banking general awareness, because it has special reference to banking awareness. It can be there in that general awareness. It can be there in the financial management. And then NPA and bankruptcy code. I hope it's live. Yes, it's live. Basel norms and NPA and bankruptcy code. And the next one, the Negotiable Instrument Act and the Companies Act, the sections related to banking. I'm going to share the notes as well. And then Finance Commission, Union Budget, how the government of India, what are the revenue sources of government of India, how they spend their money, how they distribute their money to the states. That's really important. That's actually the important part, right? Whatever is related to the finance industry, let it be mutual funds. Very bad handwriting. Mutual fund. There can be questions from mutual funds. I mean, what is an AMC? There can be questions related to security market as well. There can be questions related to security market, because security markets are actually related to finance. They can ask you how many depositories are there in India, what are DPs. So there can be questions related to security market as well. So let me check your comments now. Koi gaaliyan na de raha ho. Siddharth, Gautam, thank you Gautam, much awaited. Glad to see you back in the live session. I was little busy with the SEBI Grade A security market awareness, and I'm making the proper course there. And let me just complete my slides, and I'll take your quiz, your questions. I have prepared Vijaya Bank 2018 course, the video classes. You can watch it anytime. The notes are there, test series are there, and you can join it on store.bankexamstoday.com. The link is available in the description. And 22 of our students have cracked the Bank of India Credit Officer 2018 exams. The link to the list of students who have cracked the 2018 exam from our course is available in the description. So now your questions. Sir, आप ही बैंक एग्जाम करवाओगे? Thank you. Where should we start for Vijaya Bank? You should start with the financial management. Here it is. I mean, this one is important. You are going to find 35 to 40 questions from these topics only. Sir, मैं साइंस बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, सपना क्या कर सकती हूँ? Just you can join a course and I think you can do it. Sir, आपने ग्रेड बी का एनालिसिस नहीं दिया. Haneeth, hi Haneeth, how are you? Yes, sure, we are going to do it. I mean, I told you I was super busy. I'm the teacher, I'm the YouTuber. Notes मैं बना रहा हूँ, टाइम नहीं मिलता. सर, आपका आरबीआई क्लियर हुआ क्या? आरबीआई एक्चुअली मैं क्वेश्चंस नोट करने गया था, मैं पेपर देना या आई एम नॉट इवन एलिजिबल, मेरा एज निकल चुका है. सो प्लीज अपलोड आईबीपीएस क्लर्क का स्ट्रैटेजी. श्योर, आईबीपीएस क्लर्क आई डोंट थिंक आई एम डूइंग आईबीपीएस क्लर्क, आई वोंट डू दैट. Sir, couldn't clear BOI CO final. Amrita, it's okay. It's okay, Amrita. I mean, I know you were there in that interviews, but anyhow, you can appear for the Vijaya Bank Credit Officer exam. Amrita, are you general caste? Sir, mera science OBC. Anybody else with some productive questions? Amrita Raj, 2017, 2018, both BOI Credit Officer not cleared. Oh my God. So Amrita, Amrita, I have some recommendations for you. Directly, you can say, you can call me. I'll give you some tips regarding to the interviews. I think you have messed up with the interviews. Okay, so you can contact me. I'll tell you how to, how to be in the interviews, right? So SEBI Act भी आएगा sir, and RB पूरा नहीं आएगा अभिषेक. There will be some sections will be there. सारा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जो करने की ज़रूरत है वो मैं बता दूंगा, डोंट वरी. डन, थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ you have got the roadmap, sir. Course fee, you can check there in that description. I think it's 2,999 only. Sir, please provide memory based paper of 2018. किसका? Bank of India Credit Officer. But I have provided that. I mean, I don't have that much of time to make memory based paper now. I'm too super busy. So how to get good scores in English and Quant? मेरा graduation में 56% है. So I think I have answered all the constructive questions. I have answered all of them. This is the syllabus of financial management. मैं clearly बता चुका हूँ. ये एक clear syllabus है. This is the clear syllabus. I mean, you need to stick with this syllabus. Then this one is little bit, you can say this is little bit dynamic. 35, you can say 35 to 40 questions will be from these topics only. The rest of the topics, these basal norms, you can extend it, I mean, to unlimited questions. Security market awareness, this is huge. This is itself, in itself, it's a huge topic. But this is the exact syllabus. But I can't be so sure, you cannot be so sure that there will be 50 questions from this, financial management syllabus. There will be 35-40 questions. Rest of the questions, you can say it will be based upon if you are investing in security markets, if you are reading a newspaper properly, if you are reading Economic Times or the Financial Express or all those newspapers, one of those newspapers, you'll be able to answer, you'll be able to fetch 15 marks from here very easily, right? The rest of the topics are really easy. So I hope I have answered all your questions. So Paji, I am from Chandigarh. Kindly tell me how to prepare for banking awareness. For banking awareness, we have prepared the banking awareness capsule. वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. आराधना सरदार, it is 2,999 कोर्स फी. सर आपने रिप्लाई नहीं दिया. आरबीआई ग्रेड बी नाबार्ड ग्रेड के लिए व्हाट्सएप मेल किया था. अभिजीत, व्हाट्सएप में अगेन बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ गए. हाउ टू स्कोर मैक्स मार्क्स इन द रिटन सर? Stick to the standard syllabus. Actually, what I have noticed is that students are not focusing on the the relevant study material. You are reading a lot of irrelevant study material. That is the problem. How much time we should give to the FM, sir? Time daily should give like an hour or two. That's enough. 80-20 weightage. Please, anyone contact me. Abhishek, please do not post your email, man. Shall I follow a particular book? So there won't be any, but there is no particular book. But the Prasanna Chandra is there, but it's really difficult to follow. It's a huge book. Otherwise, I mean, I have started teaching for that financial management for the Vijaya Bank. If you want to join my classes, you can join it on store.bankexamstoday.com. I have just started the classes for financial management. So that's all. सर तुसी अपना नंबर दे दो. अभे नंबर लो यार. अभे इट्स ओके. डोंट व्हाट्सएप करना प्लीज. कॉल करोगे तो आई वोंट बी एबल टू टेक ऑल द कॉल्स. सो दिस इज माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर. ओके, आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर ऑल ऑफ यू. 9067201000, राइट. सो वेयर टू रीड FM. मैं क्लासेस स्टार्ट कर चुका हूँ. यू कैन ज्वाइन द क्लासेस है, राइट. नाउ हाउ टू डाउनलोड द बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस नोट्स मैं फिर से बता देता हूँ. गो टू bankexamstoday.com, राइट. ये तो पहले हमारे जो बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के स्टूडेंट्स पास हुए हैं, एंड देन बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस के नोट्स यू कैन डाउनलोड इट है. ऑल द PDFs आर अवेलेबल है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 मंथ्स का आपको मिल जाएगा. यू विल गेट दैट 8 मंथ्स बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस PDF, स्मॉल PDF, 10 pages, 20 pages. दिस इज बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस. All the study materials are available there, available for free. Just open it and you can read that proper article, proper notes that we have prepared. And then for the current affairs, we have monthly current affairs, monthly GK digest. Click it and you can download all the digest for free, right, along with the question banks, right. Besides that, this is our results. This is the these are the students, the 20 from the 2018 batch. Some of the pictures I need to upload now. These are the students who cracked with the help of this YouTube channel, with the help of the Bank Exam Today's courses and notes. I congratulate all of them. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like this lecture. So that's all for today. Thank you and I'm very nice. Please subscribe this channel. That's really important for you, and click the bell icon. That's all.